Chef knives are essential tools for precise cutting, chopping, and slicing in the kitchen. If you enjoy preparing fresh meals or experimenting with new recipes, a high-quality chef knife can make your cooking experience more efficient and enjoyable. In today's video, I will show you the best 5 chef knives. So, let's explore these top chef knives together. We will start our video with Mosfiata chef's knife. The Mosfiata Super Sharp Professional Chef's Knife, crafted from high-carbon German Yen 1.4116 stainless steel, offers superior strength and durability. Its razor-sharp, anti-corrosion blade ensures precise cutting, while the ergonomic micarta handle provides a comfortable, secure grip. This multifunctional knife is perfect for slicing, chopping, and dicing all kitchen ingredients. The knife comes in an exquisite gift box with a finger guard, knife sharpener, and blade guard, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Move on to Paudin chef's knife. The Paudin Nakiri knife is an all-purpose kitchen tool perfect for slicing, dicing, chopping, and mincing. Made from high-carbon 5Cr15 MOV stainless steel, its ultra-sharp edge ensures effortless cutting. The ergonomic Packwood handle provides a comfortable, balanced grip. Featuring a striking wave pattern for reduced food friction, this knife is easy to clean and maintain. Packaged beautifully, it's an ideal gift for special occasions with a satisfaction guarantee. Next one is Imarku chef's knife. The Imarku chef knife is crafted from Japanese 7Cr17 MOV stainless steel, offering exceptional rust and corrosion resistance. Perfect for chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing, it boasts an ultra-sharp 15 to 18-degree edge. The scalloped hollow edge prevents food from sticking, ensuring smooth cuts. Its ergonomic Packwood handle provides a secure, comfortable grip. Presented in a high-end gift box, this knife makes an excellent gift for any occasion, backed by a 3-month refund and 1-year exchange service. Now we go to Mercer chef's knife. The Mercer Culinary Ultimate White 8-inch chef's knife is made from high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and lasting sharpness. Its ergonomic handle with textured finger points ensures a non-slip grip, comfort, and safety. Perfect for chopping, mincing, and cutting, it's ideal for dicing onions, mincing shallots, chopping herbs, and more. Hand wash with warm water and mild soap for best care. This knife offers an exceptional combination of quality, design, and craftsmanship, perfect for both professional and home kitchens. The last one of our list is Brewin chef's knife. The Brewin 3PC professional kitchen knife set includes a chef's knife, santoku knife, and utility knife, perfect for all your daily kitchen tasks. Made from high-carbon German stainless steel, these knives feature razor-sharp edges and ergonomic, triple-riveted handles for optimal balance and comfort. Rust and stain-resistant, they're easy to maintain with simple hand washing. Packaged in a luxurious gift box, this set is an ideal gift. Enjoy a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee for complete peace of mind. We reached the end of this video. I hope you find the perfect chef's knife for your needs. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.